I'm Denise, and welcome back to Camping with Emmy, home and camper renovations on a budget. In this episode, we are going to be starting our extreme craft room makeover. Yay! This has been a long time coming. We have lived in our home for over 3 years now, and we had other rooms that we needed to get renovated first, and so my craft room was put on hold. But now it's finally time to start my craft room renovation, and I could not be more excited. And we are going to do a total transformation of this room. In today's episode, we're going to be ripping up all the old carpeting and putting down some new beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. So I can't wait to get started on this project. I can't wait to share it all with you. And so without further ado, let's get started. Emmy, we are going to get rid of the carpeting in this room that is going to become my craft room, sewing room.
And you too can have your very own rolls of used carpet.
Yes.
For the low payment of $19.95. 3 payments.
3 easy installments of $19.95.
Plus shipping and handling for each one, of course.
Yes. The reason we are cutting these obviously into small strips is so that they're easy to handle, because we're on the second floor of the house and we have to carry all of this down the stairs and out through the garage. And this house was built in the 1970s, but this carpet is not original, because the original carpeting would have been some really cool, probably bright colored shag carpet. So my best guess is that these were done in the 90s. We have 4 bedrooms here, and they chose white carpeting for all 4 bedrooms, basically. And you gotta love the 90s. Well, it really doesn't look white now, but I think it was white when it was new. So anyway, we're gonna get rid of this terribly stained up carpet. We're gonna put in a nice luxury vinyl plank flooring, because this is going to be the craft room. And since we might be doing some painting and things up here, you know what, craft wise, you know, I want to be able to just easily wipe up the floors.
Carpet's gone. We also discovered remnants of some sad 1970s carpet.
Which I knew we would. And here it is. It was stuck underneath the padding. So
You did predict orange, and
I did. So this is the original carpeting for this room. It was definitely a bright orange shag carpet.
what year do you think it was?
Well, the house was built in what, 77?
Yeah.
Yeah, so between 77 and 78, they might not have carpeted this room right away, but late 70s. 1979, okay. That's what we're surmising. But yes, we were right. This is the original carpet. June 12th?
June 12th.
Okay, good. All right.
Now there is no carpet.
Right, it's gone.
Gone. Gone in 30 seconds. Where the box lady went.
I don't know what box lady is either.
Why are you hovering underneath the boxes?
Oh, because there might be food trapped in there. We don't know. What do you think, Emmy? Are you going to like our new floor? Yeah? You going to like the new floor in the craft room if we ever get it in? Yeah, we are. We're getting it done, aren't we?
Scratch from the depot.
Oh, wow.
So you can see where they cut through the whole thing. They got the floor.
Oh, wow. Just save that piece, I guess. For last. Maybe.
Put it down right in the middle of the floor. Right there, right when you walk in. The center board.
We'll take that box back if we got an extra box.
So I'm thinking that this intricate floor pattern is ending up being a lot harder to lay than just a regular.
A little bit. I was gonna put that one in, but then when I put the next one in, you would have just, it would look weird because that one little dark chunk would have been
Oh, right. It would look
locked
like,
over. I don't know.
I
I
know.
think this will.
I didn't think about that when
You
I.
can't get out of that because it's everywhere.
Right,
so.
don't even worry about it. Just put it down. I was thinking, oh, this will look so cool. It looks like all random pieces of wood and until you start laying it. And then I'm like, well, it probably would have been better to just get one cohesive pattern. Or easier, I should say.
I think it'll look good once it's all.
Oh, yeah.
Because when I was looking back at it, then it looks almost like there's pieces cut out. It gives it a
Yeah.
different look.
Yeah.
Right here.
I think it's going to look really nice when it's all done.
I'm a trim guy. He's master trim master. Master trimmer.
Master trimmer?
Cousin of master splinter.
Yeah. You're a trim guy. But Gordon is the trim master.
Yeah.
for watching today's video. Rick and I greatly appreciate it. We really do. We hope you enjoyed part 1 of our extreme craft room renovation. In our next video, we are going to be painting. I've picked out a beautiful color of paint for the walls, and I'm also going to be painting some bookcases, so please stay tuned. And until that time, I hope you all have a great day, and thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.